Right, we're looking at the Winchester Model 12 by Daisy. Right away, see beautiful plastics on it, great simulated wood, better than cheap wood, and it's a all plastic gun, but really nice looking and good plastics. Now, what you need to know, it has basically a marksman style trigger and a mainspring. And before you think, oh, what's that mean? It means they have a lot more flexibility to make a cool looking youth rifle. Okay, and with the right BBs, I want to show these right away. The Marksman's gives outsized performance to this gun. That they're great BBs, but they really make this more competitive with the Red Ryder. The other BBs, not as much. So let's talk about what you need to know about this. Okay, so let's look at the ammo dump. The ammo dump gets 250 BBs in there, and don't put any more than that because you need some play to make that wonderful feeder work right there. Okay, so now we're going to do it in reverse to start. So when you're done shooting, you just use this toggle down here to toggle. See that? And then when you're going to begin shooting, you pull up on that toggle and you shake it. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful engineering, so easy. About 10 to 12 BBs in there. You need to keep track of it. Okay, now when you pump it, it's important that you know to come down all the way. You just have to go about 3 inches. There's no anti-bear trap. You can't hurt yourself with this. And come down all the way and make sure to snap it up. There's a button that catches it. If you don't do that, there's moving parts we'll talk about later that your gun will crap out. You make sure to get that pump all the way up, snap it up, and then hold it like this. It's a grip I came up with for the Marksman pistol, except instead of the trigger guard, I hold it here, push it into my shoulder, grab it like this. Okay, go ahead and shoot it. Okay, now as far as the sights are really good. They're white dot. We don't have windage, unfortunately, but we do have click elevation. I like it on 4 for these excellent Marksman BBs. Okay, so let's go over this one more time. You come down and snap it back up. Grab it, aim at your target, and with the Marksman BBs and that grip I show you, I get actually up to 13 yards. It can punch through a pop can at 15 yards, filled with water, flat in front. But I consider 12 yards and under. But with Marksman's, it really is a lot of fun. Okay, you can use other BBs, but I've been doing heavy testing. Give the Marksman's a try. So anyway, so that's the introduction to this gun. I showed you everything you need to know, the ammo dump, the wonderful feeder, and how to operate it. And the next video will cover the engineering. Okay, thank you.